Okay, guys. So, am I audible, guys? Online team, can you hear me? Yeah, great. So, let me share my screen. Okay, guys. So, today I'm going to discuss load balance. Okay. So, what is load balancer? Hmm? What is load balancer? Load balancer means? So, simple term is it's a redirects client request to servers. Right or not? Okay. So, for example, guys, let me draw here a little simple architecture for understand it. For example, your server 1 is there. Your server 2 is there. Server 3 is there. So here, your application, any applications, for example, Flipkart. Okay. Here also same application, right? Otherwise, IRCTC. Okay. Okay. So one application is running in your server. Again, I'm saying guys, server means the backend, VPC is there, subnet is there, routings, route table, everything is there. Okay. So here is the client. I mean, publics. Okay. They are going to access. Yeah. They are going to access application. Right or not? So how? By using IP. Okay. By using IP. Some IP is there. Okay. So here your application is running in one server. For example, here whatever public is there, the requests are increasing. Okay. The requests are increasing. So in this case, your one server will not support, right? Right or not? Your server one will not support for all the requests. Maybe it's increasing beyond that level, server configuration level. So definitely in that case, you need a one more server. Right or not? The one more server is called, contains which application is? Same application, right? Now, here different IP will come. Same IP will come or different? Different IP will come. Okay. Same thing. Two also not fine. I need one more server. So, okay. IRCTC. You have created one more server. 192.168. So 33.1. Yeah. So different servers are created, but contains the same application. Right or not? It contains the same application to give high availability of your customers. Yeah. So here one by one we can verify it now. So different IPs, same application. Why? We need to provide high availability. So this is called redundancy, guys. Redundancy is nothing but what? Duplicate. Right or not? Duplicate servers. Multiple servers contains same application is called redundancy. Okay. So now, for example, so I can say duplications. Okay. For example, why we need to increase the servers? To support to customers, right? So provide high availability, right? One server is not working means at least two servers will provide high availability. Okay, three are working also. If the requests are increased to give support to customers, we are increasing the servers. The different applications is called redundancy. So redundancy definitely depends on high availability. You to provide a high availability, you are creating redundancy. How to create redundancy? To increase the servers count with the different applications, that is called redundancy. So how we can achieve redundancy, that we can discuss. First of all, we need to understand redundancy is nothing but multiple servers, same application. So if anyone asks you what is high availability, you have to say high availability depends on redundancy factor first. If you want to provide multiple servers the same application access to customer, this process is called redundancy. Okay. Now, so here we are using directly IP, right, to access. So definitely your public is directly interact to your server. This is also not good. Okay. So target application is there inside your server. Customers are directly interact with the servers. So if they know key, PEM file, they can easily change the application status, right or not? They can log in, they can change the application status. So load balancer is, if I write load balancer is redirecting the traffic. Yes, we agree that not only redirect the traffic, we are increasing the production. Secure, right or not? For example, guys, okay. Now my load balancer is here. Okay. Now you guys can directly access. Yeah. Load balancer only, right? Load balancer only. Here load balancer will redirect your request to server. So if you can see this architecture, public and your application, in between load balancer is there. So I can access load balancer URL only. I don't know which server even application is running, right or not? If you give directly a server access, they can easily understand, okay, my application running this server. I know this IP of my server. That is not at all good, guys. First of all. Now, I don't know which IP it is even. If you are accessing load balancer, I don't know which my application running in which server, what is that IP also. Is it clear now? So load balancer provide secure to your servers also. Clear, guys? Okay. So let me write two points here. What is ELB, guys? So elastic load balancer, elastic load, both are same, guys. In AWS, you are calling elastic load balancer. That's it only. In the ELB, so what is the main definition? ELB redirect. So ELB redirects client request to healthy server. That is important, right? Okay. Yeah. And ELB is a Okay, guys, ELB is a server or service? Okay, ELB is a service, not a server to log in. So there is no option to log in ELB, right? ELB is a service. So in that case, these guys, public guys, if they're trying to log in ELB to see the your target, it's not possible, right? For example, this is a server. Let's assume if I log in this server, I can get some information to see my target information. But this is not a server to log in. It's a service. Okay. So there is no chance to find out these targets by using ELB URL. Is it clear, guys, now? Yeah. Okay. And also will get more secure by using load balancer. Okay. So load balancer, I mean ELB works like a barrier to public and servers. Okay. It will give protect to access directly instead of accessing directly server. Yeah. So we know, right? So ELB redirect your request to your application, and also instead of accessing directly. So this is not possible, right? So direct access not possible. So load balance is taking care. This is right. Okay. Yeah. And ELB follows round robin method. Round robin method. Okay. So round robin method is nothing but here 1, 2, 3 like this way. Okay. So 1, so 2 and 3. And again 1, 2, 3. I will send the notes, okay, on ELB points. Okay, this is very clear. So ELB is redirecting your request to your servers. But what is your ELB target? Servers, right? So we need to create a one target group. Okay. Target group. So what is this target group? See, guys, simple thing. Simple here. For example, in my account, 3 instances are running. Okay. This 2 is related to same application. This one is different application. If there is no target group option, the indirectly you are saying to load balancer, you can take all servers into your control. That is not good, right? Maybe different applications are running in your account, right? Not only IRCTC. So we need to say that Load balancer, you can take a control of only 2, not 3, or only 1, not 3. So ELB has to take care. Okay, then how do I can understand? So I do one thing. I can create one target group. I will add those instances into your target group. You simply can monitor your target group only. Adding instances, I will take care of that. For example, if I will add only one instance or these two instances, for example, in my account, 3 instances are running. Let's assume I will add this 2 only into my target group. Now your ELB is taking care this 2 instances only, not this one. This is not in your group. Is it clear now? That is called target group. So here target group. So we can add target instances into target group. So ELB is redirected to target group only. Clear, guys? So yeah, guys, one question to everyone. Does ELB will create instances? This is very important question. Okay, many people may think, okay, here instances are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, 7, 8, 10. Load balancer will not create any instances. Load balancer will send a traffic to instances. Okay, is it clear, right? Yeah. Yeah, very good. Nitesh, Pavan, Priyanka, Rupesh, Siva. But we use different LB for different application, right? Yes. That's what in my target group only same applications. The different application will come, you are using different load balancer. And you know, one more load balancer is the path-based load balancer. In that case, we can add two different application to same load balancers. That we need to select the path only. Hey, if it is at this path, you can go to this. If it is at this path, you can go to this, like that. Okay. In this lecture, no need to go in depth. Okay. Just understand what is load balancer only. In the Kubernetes, it will cover the topic. Okay. In the Kubernetes, there is an ingress topic. So in the ingress, I will discuss one more time in the load balance, what is application load balancer path based, how it will occur in the theory. Then we can move to Kubernetes lab directly. No need to learn in this practical in the path base. We are not using in that real time. Always you are depends on Kubernetes, right? But I will show you load balancer lab here. What is set point? Pravalika. So target instances means we have to create another group of instances or it's considered as a service, sir. So if you are creating a load balancer, for example, you have a 2 instances, same application. You have to give access to customers, right? We can give access to load balancer only. So load balancer, if you consider load balancer as input, the load balancer output, the target is target group. So if you are mention here, these many instances are my same application. Hey, load balancer, you just consider these servers only. That is what I have added in my target group. So in that case, first we need to create target group. Okay, then configure load balancer. If you are going to create a load balancer, first load balancer will ask, where is my target? First, you have to create a target group. And while configuring load balancer time, it will ask, where is my target group? You have already created, right? You can select there, then load balancer start work. Is it clear now? Okay. That's what I'm saying, Madhuri. We can use a path-based routing application load balancer. Okay, I will discuss here the types of load balance. I will give notes, don't worry. This is just running notes only. Types of load balancers. So majorly we have a two types only, guys. Application load balancer, network load balancer. Okay. Mm. So application load balancer will run layer 7. Okay. Network load balancer will run layer 4. I mean, in the network topology concept, I'm saying that. And very important thing is here, application load balancer will work on HTTP protocol. And network load balancer runs on TCP protocol. Okay. Network load balancer works under TCP protocol. And very, very important point is here, main important part, application load balancer will supports path-based routing. So in this case, guys, if you have a different applications, three applications. If you are using network load balancer, definitely you have to create a 3 network load balancers. The reason is it is not supporting path-based routing. Okay. But application load balance will support path-based routing. What is path-based routing, right? Yeah. Let's go to Flipkart now. I will show you. Guys, this is general flipkart.com, right? Page, right? We can see multiple applications running in your Flipkart. For example, if I want to open electronics, what is my path? Electronics, right? Is it right or not? What happened? Let's go. Okay. I need to log in now. Anyway, so directly I'll click on electronics. And let's come here. Travels. The path of the travels you see. Just remove this entire thing anyway. Okay. Just quick repair needed. Okay. Anyway, guys, just will come to here. My login is not there. Maybe like. So if I click on travel, my path is where? Flipkart.com travel. Right or not? Inside the whatever the application DNS name is there, something is there to redirect all those things. Means what? This is path-based routing. So if I click travel now, my load balancer will support under travel applications path now. Travel application only one or two, I don't know. Again, travel applications high availability means travel multiple servers, right or not? Right or not? We have already discussed in previous classes. In Flipkart, for example, groceries is there. Groceries application running, micro application running in your server. So to provide high availability, again, the grocery, we need to provide groceries, multiple servers to configure high availability. One server may not support, right? Groceries in the Hyderabad only billions. I mean, thousands of people can access, lakhs of people can access in the groceries in the only Hyderabad. If it is a country, millions. So one server will support. Again, same story. In the groceries, multiple servers. Multiple servers point coming means immediately load balanced. Is it clear now? Load balancer path base. If it is only you are stick on one load balancer, again you have to use the path base. So how it will work, I will show you here. Understand it only here. Path base means so let's assume you just created only one load balancer, for example. Okay, only one load balancer. Inside your target group, one, don't confuse guys. It's very easy. Easily we can understand this topic. One, two. Okay. These are, you just understand groceries. Okay. Groceries. Okay. So, or whatever, anything. So, tickets. Okay. Tickets booking. And okay. These two are, you can give anything. So, maybe bikes. Okay. These two are some clothes. Okay. So if you can see for tickets booking, two servers are there. Bikes booking, two servers are there. Clothes, two servers are there. So definitely load balancer will be work. Okay. So here, one target group only here. If you can observe one target group only again. So we need to configure the load balancer. Okay, guys. Okay. In this case, your ELB URL is, for example, ELB dot URL dot apsouth1 dot com. Okay. This is ELB URL. Let's assume. Definitely it's an AST URL. We need to configure it again DNS name. Okay. Okay. If public hit directly this URL, by default, it will send the traffic to, one or two or three default action. In this condition, default action is what? Healthy or unhealthy. Is it clear now? So three, there is no conditions. One, load balancer will ping one. If it is a healthy, it will come the status 200 page. Yes, I'm fine. Okay. Then send the traffic to here. And next it will ping 2. It will send status to load balancer. I'm fine. Page 200 means what? Success page, right? Your application success. And ping to 3. It will also give 200 page. Okay. My 3 applications are running fine in 3 servers. Okay. For example, this server load is 80%. This server load is 25%. This server load is 50%. Load balancer will try first this one. Okay, load already 80% is there. Okay, it will ping next server. Here 25% is there. Here 50% is there. It will send the traffic to 25%. Yes, round robin only. After checking only, it will confirm. Okay, second one only 25%. It will send. Means what? ELB also monitor, right? Right or not? So here monitoring. Monitoring. Also important factor, right or not? So if you are not monitoring, definitely, I don't know. If it is, for example, if it will fail, definitely load balance will send traffic to these 2 servers only. So monitoring is a very important now. Load balancer by default, it will monitor server status. Is it clear? So this is also comes under high availability point. Without monitor, how can I say my application is high availability? After monitoring only the load of my application, the load of the server is 20, 30, 40. We are tracking everything, right? If you are not tracking, how can you say my application always high available? Are you tracking? No. So load balancer will tracking, monitoring. Is it clear now? Okay. So in this case, your ELB URL, same ELB dot URL dot something AP South 1 something, whatever URL it is. So customer has to hit this URL, right? So if you can see here, what is the path of this tickets booking? Tickets. Okay. Path 1. What is the path 2? Bikes. What is the path 3? Clothes. Okay. So URL is what? Common URL for all. But extension should be tickets or bikes or clothes. Is it clear now? For example, this guy is accessing tickets. If he hit ELB URL, he is able to see tickets, bikes, clothes. Clear or not? Yes, I hit flipkart.com only. Okay, I hit flipkart.com only. Okay, if I hit flipkart.com, my request will go to load balancer and the front end one UI is there, web server. It will show everything, tickets, bikes, clothes. Same like groceries, mobiles, fashion, something. Now, if I click electronics or bikes, my request is redirecting to now bikes. Is it clear? Electric vehicle, something, whatever vehicles it is. Now I'm able to see bikes. If you can see the URL here, whatever, flipkart.com and path, respect to path, right? So now you are enter into the bike server, right or not? You are enter to the bike server now, not other servers, not cloth servers. Your request is go to, if I click, the request is go to your bike server, not for other servers, right? So how I can redirect? Your load balancer, click, takes the path and send the traffic to the respective server. So same thing. If I open bikes now, my request, I'm here now. My ELB point is now here now. If I request is more on bikes, here one more server will come. Who will create that? We'll discuss later. So now you can say that now I'm in the bikes path, right? Okay, I'm in the bikes path. From here to here, can I access to tickets? Here, no, you have to come back to Flipkart URL and go there. Here, this is the main master. Here, the child paths. Understand? This is path-based routing. This is application load balance only will support, not network load balancers. So in this case, no need to create multiple load balancers, right? One load balancer is point out to main URL. Whatever path you are choosing, that path is going to redirect into your respective application server. Is it clear? Yeah. Very good. Yes. Say we have a more than 10 servers for an application. We then use TZ for those 10 servers, or we TZ there in a specific requirement rules. If it is the same application, you can directly add the target list of 10 servers. If it's different, you need to create a rules per path. No need to go in depth. You are not AWS engineers, right? Just understand, yes, there is a case. And in that case, we can prove in the Kubernetes. Okay. See, if you are creating a path-based routing, see, now you can assume, guys, here multiple applications are there. If you are going to give path-based routing by manual process, how it is difficult, how difficult it is. That's what we are running on Kubernetes. Kubernetes is taking care of everything. In the last demo classes, we explained, right? In the AML file, if you can give this application AML file, need load balancer, it will take care of everything. Otherwise, you need to configure target group, you need to configure load balancer, each application, each path, how difficult it is. See, one service, one server, one application, two server, we can manage. Millions of applications or 1,000 applications, it's very difficult, right? That's what we are moving into microservices concepts. Still, we are in the monolithic, right? Yeah. Is it clear, everyone? Path-based routing is what? Yeah. This is not path-based routing. Here, only one application is there. By default, URL hit means you are able to see only one application. Right or not? Only one application. So, Naresh IT, if I open this website, inside any multiple applications are running? Huh? No applications are running inside. Only, see, these are all course details, something, right? No microservice concept here. Right or not? So, directly, you can see anyone, for example, open this site, they can easily click the one registration app and they can go and just join somewhere. There is no lacks of traffic here, right? No microservice concept here. Directly you can host your load balancer URL. Is it clear now? Only in Naresh IT, only one. Like that. Okay. Yeah, monolith. So all are running in same server. Naresh IT application running in only one server, not for 1,000 servers, not for individual application, individual servers. So this is the concept. You know, this is same application running in different servers. Here, if you can see this group, same application, two servers. This group, same application, two server. This group, same application, two servers. Each group has a specific path. Each path customer can select. Clear? Yeah. Don't think much. If you're clear, if you're not clear, also leave it. Don't think much. Yeah. We have to focus so many things in coming classes. These are just jujubes, huh? Okay. So many things are there in the coming classes. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So, yeah, jujubes. Yes, you are right. So now, guys, you tell me, if I say high availability, just say high level points. High availability. Hmm? First one is monitoring, right? Monitoring is very important. If you monitor only, you can understand your application status. Okay. Next, failover routing. What is failover routing is? What is failover routing? For example, it is fail. It will redirect request to this two only, right? It will not send traffic to first server. It's a failure routing. If it is a fail, if load balancer will send traffic to fail server, this customer can see page not found. That is not a case, right? Failure routing. Next, any other points here? Redundancy, right? Right or not? So definitely, if there is no redundancy, for example, redundancy no means only one application, one server. Is it possible to give high availability? No, right? So that's what redundancy. Okay. Next, scaling is important or not? Scaling is what? Increase the servers, decrease the server at a time. Scaling of the servers. Scaling of the servers. Hmm. Now you can tell me, guys, in this case, in these four things, what load balancers take care? What points? All points load balance can take care? Load balancer, monitoring. This is ELB point. This is ELB point. Hmm. What about third, fourth points? Redundancies take care. Scaling is required. Oh, who will take care of this too? Yeah, leave it here, Kubernetes. We are in monolithic. Redundancy scaling. Scaling means increase the servers, decrease the servers. Who will take care? Auto scaling, right? Very good. ASG, auto scaling group. Redundancy, also ASG. See, auto scaling creating servers means same applications creating, right? Same application, multiple servers. Auto scaling is going to create means redundancy is achieved from ASG. Scaling achieved from ASG. Failure routing achieved from ELB. Monitoring also achieved from ELB. Is it clear now? Now I'm going to add one more layer. That layer is called, what is this layer? Auto scaling group. Is it clear, everyone? So in auto scaling group, why I have, inside load balancer and target groups are there? For example, yes, auto scaling create a servers. Everyone knows that. But important point is auto scaling is creating a IRCTC application. For example, already IRCTC is giving traffic to customers. Now IRCTC is already busy with 3 servers. Now one more server is need to create by auto scaling, same application. But created application, the server definitely in the target group, right? It should be land into the same target group. Otherwise, ELBs don't know, right? How to send traffic, fourth server. Fourth server is not in my group. For example, fourth server is there in your instance list here. But you have map only target group instance only load balance is targeted, right? Yes, auto scaling creation of instance is a very important role. But and one more very important role is the creation of instance should be in the same target group, right or not? The same target group already load balancer pointed. If it is not like that, still 3 servers are there in your load balancer. Yes, you have created, but it is not there in my control. Please give my control those servers created auto scaling. That's what auto scaling first need to select a target group. Is it clear now? Yes, auto scaling is create to servers. While auto scaling configure time, how your load balancer configure time, you have to create first target group and point out to target group into load balancer. Same thing in auto scaling also, we have to say, hey, auto scaling, I have already 3 servers running in my target group. Maybe this 3 is not sufficient at the time. So you need to create a 4, 5, 6 servers. Yes, I will create. But where is my target? This is your target group. You have to create servers in this target group. My ELB already point out in this target group. So if 3 plus one more 3 will come 6, automatically ELB will send the traffic. Otherwise, you need to manually select again the auto scaling created servers. What is the use? Like manual interruptions, not right? Yes, that is a concept. If you are going to create auto scaling first, you need to create a target group first, then ELB, then auto scaling. Clear? Hmm? Yeah. Load balance also comes under auto scaling group only. See, auto scaling group, we are saying to auto scaling group, which load balance I need to configure these things. That is indirectly you are saying target group. This target group will point out to load balancer only. Right only, right? Is it clear, guys? Any confusions online team? Maybe if you have any confusions, if we can do any lab, you will get a clarity. No confusions, right? Great. Okay. Clear. Any questions? Meanwhile, any questions? We have one more topics lab tomorrow. The reason is here Wi-Fi some issue we are facing here. I have connected through my mobile hotspot today. If I show lab, maybe it will disconnect. I have also per day 1.5 GB only, like you. Okay. So any doubts? Any doubts? Anyone online team? You can ask any doubts. So silence means can I consider you are clear? Yeah. Okay, we are fine, guys. So this theory is very important to understand lab. Without this theory knowledge, very difficult to understand the practical. Okay. So you have to understand theory first, then we can move on lab. If I move directly, when we go for what is AVI? I don't know, seriously. Rupesh, what is your doubt? I mean, actual URL? Okay, guys. Anyway, global URL. Okay. Global URL, we need to configure with the road 53 first, DNS name, right? We should not give directly load balance URL to public, right? If it is in the case, we can see Flipkart URL instead of ELB something URL, Flipkart something. But it's not like that, right? We need to configure on DNS name. We can map it there, actual website name. That's it. Anyway, so now I'll just writing few steps. Those are very important. Hey, nice question. If load balancer fails, load balancer configuration is in our control. Load balancer is managed service by AWS, not you. So there is no option to fail, right or not? Yeah. See, Roshan, say cloud managed service ELBs configuration is in your scope. Okay. It's a service, so no very less chances, no chances first of all. Okay. We will create services by using EKS, Kubernetes. At the time, we will get a clarity. Okay. Once a server fails, only service will fail indirectly. But server, we are giving high availability, right? Service always point out your server. Yes. Is target group provide any security to whom? Security to whom? Your server. We are already providing by using load balancer to public instead of accessing your instance directly, right? Yeah. Guys, is there, you have only one server. Also go with load balancer. One server also go with load balancer. Sir, why? At least you can provide secure for your server. Is it clear? Maybe at this time your website is not popular. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if you add some Instagram reel, it may be popular, right? What you will do immediately? That's you can add the server simply. Load balance already there, right? Yeah. You connect through public IP. You are enter into your server. That is the meaning of you are showing public private IP. See guys, public IP is to just to connect from your internet to enter into your server. Once you enter into the server, you are able to see you are inside of the network. That's what you are saying, private IP only there. Right or not? Yeah. Definitely you need to pay. Why they can give free of cost load balancers? This much of stuff load balance is doing, how they can give free of cost? So it's a paid service. But in the free tier, once you done your task, immediately delete it. Okay, after 1 week, I'm planning to go my hometown. Again, come back. I will do the task of the load balancer. Why I need to delete? If you maintain like that, now you will get a bill. If you are immediately delete it. If you are done, immediately delete it. Anyway, guys, let me show some points here. Important steps here. Okay, so maybe flowchart you can understand. So, okay, your target is here server, right? In the flow chart. Okay, first we can write the step, then we can make it in the flow chart. Okay, guys, if you want to do the load balancer lab, what you need to do first? You can delete VPC subnets also. See, once you are done with the custom network, na, you delete it and do the practice on default network. That's it only. Process is same, right? Understanding only. Okay, guys. So first, what I need to do, if I do the lab load balancer auto scale, what is the first point? Very good, Madhuri. Create instance. Is it clear now? Step one. Create instance. So the backend network is public network or custom network, default network, completely your wish. Okay. Instance creation done. What I need to do? Connect instance through any device or okay. Connect to instance only. How to connect your wish. Okay. Next, host some application, right? Any application. Next, your application is running in your one server. Next, what you need to do? Very good. Next, create a target group. Right or not? Create a target group and add those instances into target group. If it is a 1 or 2 or 3, anyway. Next, target group ready. Next, your target is ready. Your instance is running. I mean, your application is running. What I need to do next? Yes, create a ELB. ELB, either network or application load balancer. ALB, application load balancer. Let me write application. Till here clear? Yeah. Next, auto scaling group. Is it clear? Now the question is, tell me guys. Auto scaling group, okay? Now how auto scaling is going to create same application instance? That is the point here. Clear or not? So that instance already running here, right? One application is running in this instance, right? So let's start now. This is my EC2 instance. Theory is very important, guys. Without theory, we can't do anything. So here, some application, Flipkart. Okay. How many instances are there? Only one at this time. Only one instance. Okay. Now we need to give configuration of auto scaling. Okay. Let's draw. What is this? Target group. Okay. So your ELB also created, right? In these points, I have created ELB also, right? ELB. Okay. So now customers, group of people. So they are accessing to my application. Okay. Okay. So your ELB is pointed out to target group. Okay. Okay. Now inside target group, only one instance is there. This is the process what we discuss in the left points. Okay. Now you guys are saying auto scaling group. Yes, I can understand. But how auto scaling can create instance with the same application? That is the point here. How? You know how to create. Maybe you can do some steps, same server or different stories you can do. But how auto scaling knows? Hmm? Based on the traffic, yes, based on the traffic, ALB will create. I can understand. But how ALB will create same application server? That's what my question. So maybe ALB will create this server, this application, or this application, or this application, right? It should be create same application. If in your account, for example, 5 instances are there, different applications, but your ALB will create only required applications. That too here, Flipkart application. In your account, Amazon instance is running, IRCT's instance is running, but auto scaling group required only Flipkart application server in this group. How auto scaling will pick? Create only the Flipkart application server. So you have hosted application into server. So now application is running in the server. So you need same server, one more thing, same server, one more thing that is created by auto scaling. But what is the reference of auto scaling to get a same application? Duplicate of previous EC2. Very good. Duplicate of previous EC2. So we need to say that, hey, auto scaling, I need same duplicate instance. Yes, it will create. So in your case, duplicate server means what you can do? Maybe create one more server, host same application again. Now two servers are running. Create third server, connect it, host same application, third server also. Now three applications running. It's a manual process. Once you create a server, from that server, can I create one more server? So same application, that is the concept. Instead of create one more server again. For example, I need to host leave it for auto scaling at this time. If I want to host 50 same applications, different servers, what you need to do? You need to create 50 servers manually, connect 50 servers, host 50 applications, same application, right or not? So no, sir, I have only one server application running. From that server, can I create 49 servers? Instead of creating fresh EC2 instances and host applications again and again. Yes, we have a possibilities are there in AWS. Okay. So these are, we can give the replicas. Yes, we can give the replicas. How we can give the replicas? How we can maintain the duplicates? For example, let's create one instance. So these are new topics. What I'm going to discuss now. Don't confuse. Okay. Very simple topics. Copy paste. Yeah. So control C, control V. Yeah? Here. Okay. So my server is running. So for example, yeah, my server is running. Inside one application is running. Just assume it. Okay. Inside one application is running. Just assume it. So I need same application. If your requirement is there now, I need same application. You just go to actions, images, create image. This is custom image, not fresh AMI. You have created instance by choosing fresh AMI. Inside no application is there, right? Right or not? Now you have hosted some applications. Sir, how to host application we can discuss. So one application is running in this EC2 instance. Now I need one more instance, the same application. Same application means select instance, create image from the instance. Now this image contains not only OS, application also. Is it clear? Can I say this is backup of OS plus application is called custom AMI? But fresh AMI, you can't say application. There is no application in that. Fresh AMI is nothing but what? Yes, instance, launch instance. You are going to create some instance. This is what? Fresh AMI. Just empty instance. The first step, what you did, same step. You have created instance. See, you have created instance first by using fresh AMI. Connect instance, yes. Host sample application, hosted. Now from this application server, if you create a AMI, no need to perform. Again, connect instance, host application. That AMI contains already application if you're taking a backup. Is it clear now? Let's example. Try to understand it, guys. Try to understand it. One instance is running, right? So he is the developer. He is the developer. Connected. How to connect? SSH, PEM file, protocol, IP. This is not public access. You are talking about application hosting, right? Flipkart. This is very first time instance is created. Create instance, connect. I have connected and host application. Host application. Now in this, for example, Flipkart application is running. This developer created and connected and hosted application. Now this is one server. I need 49 instances with the same application. We can do one thing, create one more instance, connect it, host application, same code, copy paste, or create one more instance, host application, copy paste third instance. This is very tough job, right? If it is a 15 instances. So what I need, what I will do here, I will take backup from this instance. Means I need OS, right? Same operating system. Plus I need Flipkart application equal to AMI. So this AMI is not fresh AMI, custom AMI. Is it clear now? How auto scaling will take care of that, I will tell you later. In manually, we have to do create a AMI first. Okay. From the AMI, from this AMI, can we create instance by passing all steps? Clear or not? See, this is fresh AMI, right? Is it clear? Fresh AMI. But this is custom AMI. Fresh AMI only OS, not application, right? But here, after hosting application, you are taking backup. After hosted application. Taking backup. Clear? Now you can create a AMI OS plus Flipkart application. Is it clear, everyone? Now, from this AMI, can I create instance? Not only from AMI, by passing all other parameters. So, if you can come here, you can create instance. You can give 50 numbers here. 50 instance will create. But empty instance, those are, right? Now, what I'm saying here, first instance, we have launched by using fresh AMI. After that, we have hosted application. Now I'm going to get 49 instances. One is already done, right? What I need to choose here, fresh AMI, browse more AMIs, select my AMIs. Whatever AMI you have taken backup, right? That you can choose here and pass next step, key pair and something. I mean, those 49 applications, Flipkart was there. Is it clear now? So AMI is the reference of what here? OS plus application. Is it clear, everyone? Again, you need to take a AMI backup. Right or not? He's saying first instance we have created, right? So second instance, something changes. First instance application, some changes will be there. Some changes, any changes. So second, third, fourth, fifth, you have to change it. That's it. We can't do anything, right? But here, good thing is no need to change by manual process. Instance created by auto scaling. We have to say auto scaling reference. This is the fresh AMI. This is the modified AMI. Is it clear now? This is the modified AMI. You can pick this AMI, not for that. That we can delete. That is called versions. First version, you have given access to input to your load balance. Sorry, auto scaling. Auto scaling now will create a instance from the AMI. Application already there, right? Application already there, right? For example, you do some changes in the first instance. Again, you can create one more AMI, custom AMI. First AMI you can delete it and change this AMI into your auto scaling group. This is my next AMI, modified AMI. Auto scaling will create next from this AMI only. Is it clear? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Come here, guys. Now AMI is ready, right? AMI is ready. From the AMI, I can create instance, but I need to pass remaining steps or not. What are the remaining steps? Let's come here. For example, this is your AMI. Just assume it. Let me create AMI. Anyway, understand very important steps these are. in interviews. I'm creating image. For example, my image name is my image only, or test instance, right? Test replica. Okay. Okay, you just create image only. Okay. Now, if I go to AMIs here under image sessions, there is a AMIs. Which one I need to select? Test replica. So you can select here, we can launch instance from AMI or go to instance block, you can select AMI. Both are same. Launch instance from AMI. Can I launch directly? No, right. If I launch instance, only AMI will means OS plus application. What about others? Which VPC, which subnet, which keeper, which security group? These are required, right? Otherwise, maybe it will create different VPC. Auto scaling, no use. You are in the VPC one, you are creating other VPC, no use. Right or not? So give the name of instance as regular test instance. Here, see, OS block is not there. Why? You have selected custom OS. From there, you are going to create. So leave this step now. You have already selected custom EMI, right? Leave this block. Now, which instance type? You have to give it. Which key pair you need to give it additionally. Whatever key pair. Which network you have to give VPC. Subnet. Auto assign public IP. Security group. All are need to pass and launch instance. Is it clear or not? But here one thing. Your auto scaling your auto scaling your auto scaling one job is easy now. Which application? Yes, I got some reference. If I need to create a 50 application, my reference is what? AMI, custom AMI. Yes, I got some reference. If I trigger that AMI, I can able to create same application instance. The number you can give in my template, how many instances are required, that your choice. But I got some reference from auto scaling point of view. I got some reference. This is the AMI. You can create manually, but this is not a case. Create auto scaling. The instance create auto scaling, not you, right? The create auto scaling the instances by using AMI. Now auto scaling is going to create instances by using AMI. Yes. So far we are very clear. AMI will come from instance. After hosting the application only, we are taking a backup. Otherwise, no use. From this AMI, I can create multiple instances, each instance having same application. The reason is created by selecting custom AMI, not fresh AMI. This is very clear, right? But auto scaling point of view, here, yes, skip the OS step only. But what about other steps? How auto scaling will choose? Yes, I have decided this is AMI, this is OS, this is application. But how auto scaling will decide which VPC? We have to say that, right? See here, everything you have mentioned, right? Which VPC, which keeper you have given manually. Remaining steps, apart OS, remaining 6 steps you have given here. But in auto scaling point of view, how auto scaling can understand? Manually, you have choose this VPC, this security group, whatever, keeper something. Only skip the AMS step only. Skip the OS step only. But what about other steps, 6 steps? How auto scaling will select? Target group is instance target group, right? Right or not? See, now you are going to create instance. Creating instance target group will help. Target group is to target your instance. But I need to create instance. For example, in my architecture, only one instance is there, right? I need second, third also. So second instance, third instance, auto scaling is going to create by the AMI of first instance. The first instance application is there. You have taken backup of a first instance and create two third also. But first instance running in one VPC, one subnet, one security group, one key pair. Definitely coming instances also should be same VPC. Why? Load balancer, these are all region specific services. If you create one more VPC, how this load balancer will communicate other VPC? Inside VPC load balancer is there. Your other VPC, other services there. VPC to VPC communication is not possible inside. There is a different stories. So we have to confirm that, right? Created instance should be in the same VPC. Clear or not? In the manual steps, you can select the VPC. You can select the subnet. You can select the key pair, apart OS. Everything need to create by manually again. Clear or not? So auto scaling don't know how to create from the custom AMI, how to create instant the same VPC, same subnet or different subnet or same security group, same key pair. How auto scaling will pick? So for that, we have one more option. Launch template. Okay. So we are making ready one template. This template contains VPC details, subnet details, security group details, all 7 steps details. Okay. All 7 steps details. What are those, guys? I will just write here. What are the steps? First one is AMI selection, right? Next, instance type. Next, security group. I mean, network. Next, hardware. Next, key pair. Next, tags and review template, right? These steps are required, right? To create instance. So by using launch template, I will give all steps before. This is my template. By using template, if you click instance means template already configure all the network details, AMI details, instance details. It will create duplicates now. Duplicate not only OS plus application, duplicate network, all 7 steps. Is it clear? Sir, can't we do it by AMI? Yes, we can try it, but AMI only skip only OS step is only here. But remaining steps you need to pass. Right or not? But auto scaling will stuck here, right? Same like you. I will stuck here. OS is done, but which VPC? Again, points will come from the auto scaling. You have given same application access to me. I can create instance, but which VPC? Stuck here. So is there any process to take entire all steps backup? That is called launch template. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just writing launch template is backup of all steps. Can I say all steps? I can say 7 or 6 to create instance. For example, launch template, the concept you have created means you have configured these many steps required, AMI, security group. From the launch template, you can create instance, same like AMI. In that case, no need to select further steps. Already you have given in the template itself everything. Just click one step, it will create. So we are short out so many issues, right? AMI issue, whatever application issue, we can just overcome by using AMI. The network configurations, security group configurations, keeper we are short out by launch template. But final one is launch template. How can I say? Here AMI selection is there, right? In this AMI selection, we can give custom AMI. Clear now? So now your launch template able to create same application instance, given VPC, given SG, given subnet, given keeper. Where should I give? In that launch template process. I will show you now. Now auto scaling, the primary reference is what? AMI or launch template? Only launch template. Launch template comes from custom AMI step is comes from launch template, right? Custom AMI comes from instance. This is the process. First create instance, host application, create AMI from the AMI, and also we can create launch template. AMI details we can pass from the custom AMI, make it ready launch template. First you need to create auto scaling group now. First you need to create a launch template. Launch template create means before that you have to create AMI. AMI create means before that you have to host application. Before that you have to create instance. This is the process cycle. I will show you here, guys. Let's go to auto scaling. Simply. Auto scaling group. Create auto scaling group just for your understanding. See, primary source is launch template. Is it clear now? No. What is the primary source of launch template? We have to create before AMI. Okay. So what you need to do before? Come to images, make it ready your AMI. Okay. Now go to creation of launch template. Launch template, make it ready, right? Your AMI is ready now. Now go to create a launch template. See here this step. Click on it. Create launch template. Yes. Give some name. Test something, whatever. ASG. Here you can pass all the steps in the launch template. Which AMI I need to select here? My AMI, not fresh AMI. There is no use if you select fresh AMI, whatever AMI. So this is my AMI, right? What I have created from the instance. Done. One step done, right? Remaining steps. Instance type you can give. T2 micro, T2 nano. Just I'm giving T2 nano. Keeper you can give. VS code, something. Subnet details. See, sir, there is VPC. If you select subnet means automatically will link to your VPC. The new version, they have removed VPC in this one. That's it only. Don't confuse it here. See, if you select subnet, automatically VPC is there here. Yeah? That is the meaning here. Okay. Let's check your instance first. Where your instance is running. To select the VPC, right? Okay, my instance is running test instance. Which VPC? I need to check it. VPC 025 02F97. Subnet is 038D. Okay. Now go to here. Okay. 038D, this one. Okay. Subnet I have given. Existing security group or create security group. Existing, go with existing. Default one. Storage 8 GB selected. Everything is selected, right? All steps given here now. Now I'm just make it ready my launch template. Create launch template. Done. Now the difference you need to understand, guys. If you know this difference, you can easily understand. My AMI also ready. My launch template also ready. What is the difference between create instance from the AMI, create instance from the launch template? The difference you need to understand. Okay. Select your launch template. Go to actions. Launch instance from the template. So I'm not going to check anything here. Directly launch instance. Why? Steps already configured in my launch template, right? See, T2 nano is coming. No need to select here. Keeper is no need to select keeper also. VS code is there. This template already I have prepared before with these configurations. Now, with this configuration indirectly I'm creating a server. The reference is now launch template. Launch template created already by me. So if I launched instance, if I just click only, why these steps no need to specify it. Why already I have given my creation of launch template. This is the template of what I have given the steps. In this case, okay, now come to AMI again. For example, instead of creating a in launch template, I'll just create from the AMI launch instance. Here the difference is what? Yeah, here You need to specify which key pair, which VPC, which subnet. AMI only help to skip only OS step. But in the launch instance, launch template, no need to change anything. Blindly, you can go with the template, the steps you configure. I need this VPC, I need this subnet like this. So that's why launch template created. From the launch template, I can create an instance simply. Launch instance. Now means same configuration, same network, same application, same security group, everything will come, right? You have given the template before. Now auto scaling simply, okay, my template is ready now. If I trigger this template, all steps will come. So if you create a same application, same instance, same network, you need to click here manually. One step only, right? From the launch template, that one step taken care by auto scaling. Clear now? Yeah. Any questions? So tomorrow, what we can do? First, we can host some application and we can configure load balancer and try to hit it from the load balancer. If we have a time and go with the auto scaling. Any questions? Yes, done already. We can leave. Yeah. Okay. 10:30 is a sharp. I can close it. No problem. What is detective? Your auto scaling detect your launch template. CC. Guys, if you are clear, please give CCs so that we can understand where you are. Okay. So all are clear, right? So if we can do the lab now, you will get 100% clarity. This is just theory only. Try to understand it only. Okay, guys. I will share these notes to our Telegram so that you just go through it. Yes. Bye, guys. See you.